Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. It is around 9:28 a.m., 2 minutes until the New York Open. It is Wednesday, hump day, middle of the week, December 18th, 2024, coming up on Christmas holidays for most people, or a lot of people, and these are certainly holiday hours, and so markets can do funny things. Today, of course, is also a huge news day. We have FOMC and interest rate announcements at 2 p.m. That's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. Guys, here's the daily frame with the three sisters brought back the Dow for hopefully obvious reasons. Important to be watching this. A record, a multi-year record of losing streaks. That's daily losses, down days for the Dow here, guys, since before 2018, I believe, and could be significantly before 2018. And we're less than 2 weeks away from 2025. There's the daily NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow, guys. We have a down day and bearish body on the NASDAQ after an inside day yesterday of a very big up day. But we have a bull market here in the NASDAQ, unbroken, with the 9 above the 21, above the 50, above the 100, and above the 200-day EMAs. I included those here today for the longer-term perspective to show you how strong this NASDAQ has been. The NASDAQ index, the breadth is not there, quite frankly. That means not all stocks are participating. In fact, barely the majority. S&P, guys, fairly strong structure here still. Just going sideways, taking a breather from a nice impulse up. That's normal market action. Barcoding right now, so an equal battle between good and evil, bears and bulls, and longs and shorts. Inside day, basically a doji and decision style body here on the S&P. We have an inside day so far on the Dow after 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 down days. Let's see if we can make it 10 today, shall we? And now I'll bring you to the two sisters, NASDAQ and S&P, 1 minute charts, volume weighted average price. We are below VWAP here on this early pre-market sell-off. We had some 8:30 news. Nothing really happened there, just kind of grinding down from there. And a very similar looking picture here, guys, almost identical, in fact, on the NASDAQ and the S&P. See that there? And there's the first opening candle, guys, on the New York Open. I'll put you on pause, bring you back for teaching moments only. I'll cut out dead air, sideways grinding action to keep this video nice and tight. In the meantime, here's my trading grid. There's that down day, marginal down day, by the way. In other words, we broke yesterday's low. And bearish to indecisive body so far here on the NASDAQ. This is the 30-minute chart, guys. There's the U.S. session yesterday, Asian session overnight or this morning, UK session overnight and this morning. UK, of course, continues here until about 11:30 New York time, so there's overlap. Here's the first 30-minute candle of the New York session. It is an inside candle to the prior pre-market 30-minute candle. The 1 minute open range has been set, guys, and we are selling off 26 3/4 points for the NASDAQ and 4 points for the S&P. Very narrow on the S&P. Back to my trading grid. Pressing down here, guys. Pressing down here on the NASDAQ. Testing this zone here from yesterday. Very important zone from a day-to-day basis. So be watching to see how we do. If we get through that handily and close below, if we do, things could get a little bit interesting here. But for now, nothing for me to do. Back to the two sisters. You'll notice that the S&P is just stuck, sleeping in the open range. Very quiet. All right, guys. Sell stop order right here, and I'll show you why in a moment. Stop above this. And I'm in, guys. That wick right there. You saw that there, didn't you? Very quick trade here, guys. Momentum play. Saw that flip. Breaking down below for a wick fill opportunity. Now this wick, by the way, I just noticed this actually while I was watching this, was from the after hours. Basically the regular trading hours were closed. We're looking for a quick drive down here, momentum weakness here. Super quick trade here, guys. This is going to have no trouble hitting targets, I believe. The energy and the torque, guys, from the down day breaking below prior day's low after a huge rally candle 2 days ago, resolving to the downside here. Big shift candle to start the day, 2 resting candles, and then break down below. I expected to be much more patient here on the open, guys, but when I saw that configuration, I had to hit it. And there it is, guys, just like that. The trade is done. I want to get this marker in here. That's how quick this happened. Almost didn't get a chance to paste that over. Give me one moment. All right, want to capture that image. Now, bearish day, guys, flip after a big rally up. We have the very bearish Dow. We have the bearish to neutral S&P all saying going lower, and going lower. We saw the breakdown here, guys, and then at the break, I saw this too on my other monitor, S&P finally breaking out of the open range and dropping down. No brainer to toss the coin and select heads. In clean traffic here, bottom wick in the after hours, and below a very critical support zone there in New York from yesterday. Easy trade, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Talk soon.